Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use hashtags on Facebook. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up the Facebook application on your Android and iOS. And after opening your Facebook application, okay, what you're gonna have to do here basically that you will basically tap on this where it says what's on your mind. And now basically I will just post a status here, so I will just type here hi, and then you need to enter this hash here, and now you will enter basically the tag that you want to add. Okay, so I will just add like post of the day, and here we have this hashtag. So right now you can see that I have added this hashtag to my post. Okay, and then I will tap on next here, then I will tap on share, and it will be shared with my Facebook friends. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.